Good afternoon, John here, Elton's Retirement Journey and Travel segment of my channel. I have just arrived in Dresden, Germany. Dresden, Germany was heavily bombed during World War II. They decided to switch from strategic military targets to the civilian population so that they eliminate the workers uh, for Hitler's war machine. And this city was obliterated, and most of it was set on fire, and pretty much it has been completely destroyed and rebuilt. Behind me, I'm going to switch and show you a part of a church that eventually collapsed and it was rebuilt, and then I'm going to walk around and show you a little bit about some photos of Dresden, and as again it has been rebuilt. So let me come back and I'll show you that shortly. Okay, what you see here is the last remnants of this building, which is a church, and it collapsed, and this is the last little piece. To the left of me, you're going to see a church as it's been rebuilt. There's a plaque on here. I did the translation, and this is the testimony of someone, a young lady that was looking out, and she's eventually seen the building, the church collapse. So this is some type of monument. I'm going to walk around it and let you take a look at it. And then I'm going to go pan around up front and get a good look at the rebuilt church as you can see it. Lasting piece of a church. Okay, John here, Elton's Retirement Journey and Travel. So we are looking at the monument of Martin Luther. Had some disagreements with the church and decided to have his own faith. And ironically, I grew up as a Lutheran. My mother will be very proud to see that I went all the way to where this religion has originated from. And here's this big church over here. We took a look at the piece that was left. So they moved it over and rebuilt it. I think on my tour starts again at 1 o'clock. I do believe I'm going to go into it. Destroyed during World War II, rebuilt, and this is a big square here. I'm going to pan around here real quick. Let me bring this down a little bit and let you see how it looks here in Germany. And we are in Dresden. It's starting to drizzle. It's a little chilly here now. It's about 50 degrees. Look how beautiful the buildings are. All uniform. And get back. I'm going to get a little closer.